This is my 2008 Pontiac G8 GT. Wanted to do a little bit of a sound clip here on my new exhaust. So just a few weeks ago, got my Pypes headers installed, and those are connected to a solo mach shorty balanced edition catback exhaust to the 3.5-inch quad tips. See if I can get a shot of that. Sounds really good. I think the pair of these work really well together. So I'll do a little driving video here for you, a drive by and a takeoff. Really the only else thing that is done to the car is this Roto intake that I have, and the car is tuned by MJD in Novi, Michigan. It's running a 93 octane tune. Okay, this isn't a cold start. The car has been running today, but this has been sitting for about hour and a half or so.